Hello everyone, welcome back for the computer session once again, and today we are going to continue the lesson number 6, and lesson number 6 is MS Excel formatting formulas and functions. So as we discussed in the first session the points what we are going to cover, that is again we will discuss in the second session. So altogether the points which we are going to cover through this whole lessons are Excel introduction, formatting cell using formatting cell dialog box, then formula in MS Excel, then next point we will learn using compound formula, then edit a formula, delete a formula. Also we are going to learn function in Excel, built-in functions and using simple functions. So all these points we are going to cover through these lessons. And already we have learned few points in the first session. So let's have a small recap of the first session. The previous session last week, we have learned about introduction of Excel, then formatting cell using formatting cell dialog box. In that, we have learned number tab, align tab, font tab, border tab, fill tab, and protection tab. These all tabs we have learned in dialog box practical already we have learned, and I hope so you all have practiced. So let's begin the second session. In second session, the points which we are going to be learn are, we will learn formula in Excel. There are little different formula that we are going to learn in MS Excel, how we can use and what are the rules and regulation. Also, we are going to learn using compound formula how to edit a formula and how to delete a formula. These 4 points we are going to cover through this session. So I want your keen attention for the session so you can understand well, so you can uh, understand better with this session and you can utilize in your practicals because this is a practical lessons. So all the practicals you can perform easily at your home. And next session, we are going to cover up function in Excel, built-in functions using simple functions. These 3 points we will cover in the upcoming session, the third session, means next week. So let's understand formula in MS Excel. So dear students, let's understand the formula in MS Excel. Actually, mathematical formulas and functions are the main features of MS Excel. MS Excel is known only for his formula and functions. So lots of calculation, arithmetic, mathematical calculation you can do with the help of formulas and functions. So here let's understand the first arithmetic operators. To do all kind of calculation, we need different operators. So for example, a few functions are there on screen. Suppose you want to do addition, then you need an operator, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, and exponent. If you want to do anything like practical, then you have to use the operators. So here few operators are introduced for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, and exponent. For addition, the operator is plus sign. For subtraction is minus sign, multiplication star, in your language it is star, actual word is asterisk. Then for division we are using slash, for percentage sign, and for exponent power sign. So let's understand this practically. So here I have the ready chart of Excel. Let's move to that chart. So here is a chart. Suppose we want to do the addition. So we need to enter the formula like this. So output we will get. So let's type. I'm going to type here. It's equal to 5 plus 5. These all you will get at the right side of the keyboard. Numeric keypad you will get in your computer, desktop or laptop. So from there you can get all these signs is equal to. And you must remember, and very important thing about the formula is all the formulas and functions are begin with the is equal to sign. All the functions and formulas are begin with the is equal to sign. So whenever you want to enter any function or formula, you should start with equal to. So here I have started is equal to 5, and then I have used the operator 5 plus 5 and press enter. So I got an answer 10. Now next, as I said at the beginning, you have to enter equal to sign. So here I am going to enter equal to sign equal to 5 minus operator and 5. 5 minus 5, 0. For a division, we have to enter is equal to sign, then 5 multiplied by 5 for multiplication, 5 multiplied by 5, and then division start with equal to 5 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Answer 1. Then percentage we have to enter equal to just 5 and percentage sign, enter. Then we have to enter uh, next function for the exponent 5 power 5 is equal to 3125. I hope so you understood. Suppose you want to calculate the squares, so that also you can do square root, also you can do many things you can do with the help of this. I hope so now you understood what we have done till now. So these are the functions: arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and percentage, as well as power, exponents. So here I hope so you understood these points. Keep practicing. After practicing only you can do it. So with the help of, we can do one list, one practical we can perform again. Suppose we have some item, okay, and we want to enter its rate and its quantity. QTY means quantity, and we want to do its total. Okay, now we entered here a particular item like grocery item. We have rice we have purchased 50 rupees kg, and we have purchased 100 kg. So we want to do its total. So how we'll take the calculation? We will multiply this by this. So we can do is equal to this cell multiply sign and this cell, and press enter. So 5,000. So automatically this will do the total. So this is a best example. Also we can do the total like plus operator, where we can do plus operator where we want to do add. For example, a particular student has name and subject mark like English and science. I have entered here. Okay, I hope so it is visible for you all. So I have entered these three details, and let's see again we can enter some details like name Ramu, and its English marks are 50 and science mark are 60. This total we want to do, total of this subject marks. Okay, so how can we do? As we learn is equal to 50 plus 60. 50 plus 60. This is one method. Another method you can do it is equal to, you can select, click in this cell, then click on plus, then click on next cell, and then you can press enter. So it will get okay. So here we done the total. Here we have used the operators. I hope so you understood. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is a chart given in your textbook on page number 65. You can take help of that chart also, and you can practice it at home. Two more examples we have learned through this. One example of rate and quantity, how we can multiply, and total marks, how we can do with the help of addition. Two operators we have practiced. Okay, I hope so it's clear for you. Please keep practicing. When you will practice, then only you will get the clear idea of this. Now it's time to learn comparison and relational operator, which is given on in your textbook on page number 66. So functions are given there equal to, like we can do comparison or we can do relational operators. Like if you want to see the equal to number, equal numbers, okay, equal to, if you want to see the equal to numbers, then there is another greater than, greater than. In the formulas, how we are going to use the operator and formulas. The second thing we are going to learn, operators. Okay, so related with this, which operators are useful for this, that we are going to learn now. Then less than, greater than, less than, equal to, then greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal. Then same thing we will learn, less than or equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, then not equal to. Last one is not equal to, not equal to. So these things, how, what are the operators are used for this? So for this we have the operators which we are going to use for equal to is equal to sign. Then for greater than we are going to use this sign. For less than we are going to use this sign, less than sign. Then greater than or equal to, then greater than and equal to, less than and equal to. These operators we are going to use to seek not equal to. Okay, so this we have entered, and now we will understand it by practical. Okay, so for this we are going to enter some values in A column and B column. So A column we will enter 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and in B column we will enter 7 8 9 8 7 6. Okay, this way we have entered the details here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 7 8 7, all things we have entered here. Now let's see how we will utilize for equal to. Okay, first formula we will use equal to, so that equal to will be, answer will get here. First one we will use equal to, so equal to's answer we will get for that formula. What is a formula? Equal to. So what we will do, we will compare is equal to, we have to enter the formula which is given in your textbook. A1 equal to B1. A1 equal to B1. So what will answer we will get? It said false. It compared and it shows us that it is the false. Okay. Why it is so shows false? Because 1 and 7 are not equal. So the answer is false. Now, second formula we have to enter is equal to A1 is greater than B1. Sorry, A2 is greater than B2. 2 is greater than 8. Is it right? No, it is wrong. So it is showing false. Okay, 2. Suppose we will enter here 10. So now 10 is greater than 8. 10 is bigger than 8. Yes, 10 is bigger than 8. It will become true. See, the answer is got changed. But if you will enter 2, 2 is small. So that's why it is showing false. Now next, equal to A3 less than 9. 3 is less than 9. Yes, right. So it is true. Now next one we have to check. Now this one we have compared greater. Then this one we have compared here less than. Now next one we have to do greater than or equal to. Now what we are going to do? 4 is greater than or equal to 8. No, it is wrong. Still we will enter and we will check. So what to do? This formula is greater than equal to. Okay, first we have to select A4 greater than equal to 8 before a4 greater than b4. So let's check false. So for example, suppose we will enter here 9, it is greater, 8 it's equal, so it is true. But if it is less, then it will show false. So here it was 4, so let me enter 4 again. Now next we have to check less than or equal to. Less than equal to, what we will do, we will start with equal to, we'll click on a5, then we will write less than equal to form operator, and then we will write b5, enter. It is true because 5 is less than 7. Now 6, not equal to. So not equal to sign, we have to click equal to first, then this cell, and then we have to do not equal to 6, enter. So this way we can do all the formulas and functions of comparison or logical. So here maximum entries are showing false because that condition is not matching. That comparison is not matching. First one is here, 1 is equal to 7. No, 7 is greater. So if you will enter 1 equal to 1, it will show true. Second, it is greater than. 2 is greater than 8. No, 2 is smaller than. So we have to enter the greater value, 9. 9 is greater than 8. Yes, true. Now next, we have to check 3 is lesser than 9. Yes, that's why it is right. Fourth is greater than or equal to 8. No, it is smaller than. 10 is greater than 8. So true. 5 is lesser than 7. Yes. 6 is not equal to 6. No, both are equal. So we have to change the value. 7. 7 is not equal to 6. Yes, it is true. So you have, I hope so you understood the comparison between this, all the formulas, and you understood equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So keep practicing this chart, and all the formulas and operators are given into your book on page number 66. So now next topic we are going to cover, that is compound formulas using compound formula. So here I'm going to use interest and all. I hope so it is covered in your maths topic. So we will enter some details over here. Let me make it ready. So now the next one, to understand compound interest and the compound formula, that we are going to learn from the page number 68. This table is given on page number 68. So here we are going to insert the principal amount, that is 10,000. Okay. And interest rate is 9%. And then it is given the 5 years, the time period is 5 years, and we are going to calculate with the help of formula. So we should know to calculate the simple interest. So simple interest formula is principal multiplied by interest rate multiplied by time upon 100. So that we are going to enter here is equal to, start, always the formula should start equal to, the principal amount is here in the B1. Okay, that will multiply by interest rate, that we will multiply by time, and we will divide by 100. So we will get the simple interest for this for 5 years, that is 4,500. I hope so you understood this. Now next we will learn how we can do the editing of formula or function. That is very simple, just we have to click in that. Okay, suppose we want to enter this interest rate is given 10. So we want to enter the any column or cell, we can do the changes by clicking on it, or you can use the backspace or delete button. Okay, so you can do all these things with the help of this. So simple interest can be calculated, and we can edit these also. Whatever things you want to enter, that you can enter with the help of, that we can enter with the help all these things. Now this is I have done changes, but that is not acceptable. That's why it is showing the error. So now I'm deleting this. Okay, so we can do such way the formulas and function as well as editing in this. Whatever cells you want to do, same way you can do editing in the functions and formulas, but you should know the proper structure of the formula. Second thing, if you want to delete the formula, just select the cell and delete the cell. Select the cell and delete the formula. Select the cell and delete the formula. The formula is entered here. I want to delete the formula. Select the cell and delete. So, dear students, we have learned in today's session the all the points formula in MS Excel, arithmetic operators and compound formula, editing formula and deleting formula. I hope so you understand these 4 points which we have covered in today's session. Formula in MS Excel using compound formula, editing formula and deleting formula. Keep practicing at home. All the details are given in textbook also. Watch this video carefully again and again.